What is going on, guys? My name is Marissa Romero, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over 6 things that are going to help you and things that you need to do before even starting your YouTube channel. You see, one of the keys to starting out a channel with a bang so that you can optimize, the first videos you publish and the views that you get right away is you want to make sure there's a couple YouTube channel settings that are in place so that you make sure you allow the YouTube algorithm to start working for you right away. And now, by the way, if you have decided to, indeed start a YouTube channel and commit to that, I wanted to say congratulations, because you have probably made one of the best decisions of your life. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with tip number 1. Now, a lot of people get stuck here, and that is how to share your channel. I mean, it's as simple as that. A lot of people, go onto YouTube and they search the title of the video they just posted, or they search their name like, John Smith recipes to barbecuing and, doing shish kebabs, and they can't find their video. They're like, what the heck happened? I just posted this video. It's because when you first enter in your keywords, like whether it's your own personal name as your channel or another branded name as your channel, the YouTube keyword search bar is not going to know or pick up your channel name because you have literally no searches. So like, for example, when I type in my name, now I think I have 300, 200 keyword searches per month. But when I first started, that was definitely at 0. So the first thing you're going to do is just head over to your channel and go to, the little bubble and click on my channel. And when you get to your channel, all you got to do is copy and paste the link in the browser that's there. And you can copy that and send it to your friends, your family, and other entrepreneurs in business that you've been wanting to share it with. Now, the second way to share it is to go on your mobile phone and, just download the free YouTube app. And then you would go to your phone and the main channel section of your phone on mobile, and then you would see these 3 little dots at the top right. So you click those little dots and then you would click copy link, and there you go. You can post it on your Instagram bio, you can send it through a text message, WhatsApp, whatever it is. Now, the other cool thing you can do as a little trick is you can add this text to the end of your YouTube link on desktop. And what this does is it allows people to automatically subscribe to the channel when they click on the link. So it's not a question of whether they subscribe, it offers them to subscribe. And then it has the option like, oh, do you want to confirm this subscription, so that people aren't forced to do it. But I think it's a great option, especially in the beginning when you're trying to reach your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. Now, tip number 2, this one is actually really important, and this is establishing your channel keywords. So what does this mean? It means optimizing your entire channel and letting the algorithm know what keywords to identify your channel with, essentially. Okay, so what you want to do is head over to your YouTube Creator Studio, and so click on the little bubble icon, go to Creator Studio. Then on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu for a channel. And then when you click down that drop-down menu, you'll see a section called Advanced. So those are the advanced settings. Then you'll see where it says Channel Keywords. Now here, let's say you are in the nutrition niche and your focus is on, let's say, the keto diet or something. So you're going to say how to lose weight with the keto diet, and different keto diet keywords you'll put in there. And just keep them basic. You don't have to put in every single keyword on earth, but just so the YouTube algorithm gets a feel on who they can start sending to your channel. The other crucial thing you'll want to do is scroll down just a little bit, and under channel recommendations, you definitely want to click allow my channel to appear on other channels' recommendations. And this is really, really, really important, because this is how you're going to get a lot of traffic from other people's channels when you pop up in the little suggested box or the suggested videos on the right hand side. So make sure this bubble is checked for allow. All right, so the third tip I have for beginning a brand new YouTube channel is to make sure you create playlists. Now, playlists are really important because, one, when you put your video in a playlist, it gives the YouTube algorithm a point, or it gives your channel a point with the YouTube algorithm every time you're uploading a video. And plus, it makes the user experience of people visiting your channel more friendly, because you're going to have all these uploads and they're going to say, okay, where are these videos all together? I want to go through the categories and see which categories I want to watch next. Or maybe if your channel is about Instagram marketing and you want to talk about Instagram growth, you could have a playlist just on Instagram growth, and that'll increase your watch time, because when people click on a playlist, the whole playlist starts to play automatically. So make sure you organize and think about what type of categories you want to put your videos in. And the other cool thing about playlists is that you can add a description for each. So it's kind of like a mini funnel. You can convince people why they should, continue to watch this playlist and give them ideas on how they will benefit from watching your content on that playlist. All right, so coming in at number 4, what I have for you guys is the banner. Make sure you start out with a good YouTube banner. That big image, the first thing you see on a YouTube channel, but imagine that as free real estate online. What are you going to automatically tell people in the beginning of them landing on your channel? I mean, is it going to be an image of you? Are you going to have your company name? What I recommend is definitely have maybe the 3 pillars of what your channel is about. So for example, if you are in the cooking niche, maybe you'll have your 3 pillars are, hot new recipes, easy new recipes, meal preps that you can do from home. I don't know what your cooking channel is about, but make sure you have the top 3 things. So for example, on my channel, my 3 pillars are online marketing, entrepreneurship, and also, the travel/digital nomad piece of my life that I like to share with you guys. So the idea is you want people to know and understand what they can expect right away within the first 1 or 2 seconds from them landing on your channel. If you can commit to this, I would also put the frequency of when you're going to post. I have several new videos uploaded weekly on my channel. I personally can't commit to a schedule like put new videos every Monday and Friday. I just can't do it. Some people can. If you can, put new videos dropping every Sunday and Thursday at noon, blah, blah, blah. Some people do that, but I just say several videos weekly so that I can post whenever I want and have that flexibility. And so you can easily create your own banner on canva.com with the free version, or if you upgrade to I think it's the business version, that's a great option too. However, if you are not a graphic designer, I would for sure go to Fiverr.com or Upwork.com and make sure you are paying, somebody maybe $20 to $50. I don't think it would cost that much, more so in the $20 range, but just ask them to create the banner for you and pay them, because that is something you definitely want to invest in, because you're setting your channel up for business. Your channel is going to be YouTube for business, and that's why you want to make it look professional from the jump and really take that time to make sure the branding of your channel starts off right. Trust me, it could definitely be the difference between somebody subscribing or not subscribing. So the next thing I wanted to bring to your guys' attention are the upload defaults. Now this is really going to help your guys' workflow. This is going to allow you to automatically insert some settings so that you don't have to redo things and post things every single video. For example, the description. With the description, you could do like a pre-template. So you don't have to copy and paste and rewrite your description every time. You just, copy and paste the description into this area one time, and then you can adjust it for the title and, maybe a couple other things in the description, a couple minor tweaks. But when you upload a video, it is automatically there and nicely uploaded so that you don't have to do any extra work. The other thing you can have preset are some of the tags. So if there's, maybe 3 or 4 tags that you automatically use every single time, which, big hint, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you start tagging your name, your channel name, your name, and both your channel name so that you can start dominating that keyword from the beginning. Having these settings done properly on this page could really, really, really help your workflow and definitely help save you some time in the future. The other thing that I wanted to bring your attention to on this page was the standard licensing. You want to make sure you understand whether you want to allow people to be able to use your content. So if you click on Creative Commons, for example, you are allowing people to have the green light to use whatever content they want. It is legal. So if you don't want people to use your content, make sure you choose the other standard license option. All right, and so the 6th and the last tip that I have for you guys is with YouTube branding. So what I mean in particular is if you go to the branding page, this is the first thing. What you want to do to optimize, people to subscribe and give them another option to subscribe is make sure you're using an icon as a watermark so people can subscribe. So if you put in a little image, it could be a logo or it could be a YouTube, like click here, subscribe here, put that, it'll show up in the lower right-hand side of the video so people have another way and are always reminded to subscribe to the channel. The other thing you want to make sure you do is make sure you fill out the About section that is also kind of like free real estate on the channel. Basically, what you want to do is imagine that you are expanding on what you put in the banner. So, you know, you can say, hi, my name is Marissa Romero from suchandsuch.com. You know, I'm here to teach you guys about how to build a six-figure business on YouTube. I've been an online marketer for 2 years and such and such and such. And so talk about your experience and your expertise. Talk about the experience that people could expect to have on their channel. And like I said, if you go into what, you know, the frequency that you post, that would be a good thing to add in there. Maybe add in some social media accounts and stuff like that. So make sure you're grabbing that real estate and branding every part of the channel that you can. So with these 6 tips, you guys will have a solid foundation of your YouTube channel settings and how to set your channel off the right way. So I want to know, like, comment below what size your YouTube channel is, whether it's 5 subscribers or, you know, 10 subscribers, or maybe you hit your first 100 or your first 300. Let me know in the comments where you guys are at. I'm curious to know. And if there were some settings that I went over today that maybe you didn't even know about. And the other thing I wanted to announce is that I will be officially opening up my 8-week coaching program, and where I will be personally mentoring and coaching people to help build successful YouTube businesses online and showing people how to monetize a channel and have great success with even a small channel. So if that interests you about learning more about the coaching program, go ahead and it'll be in the link in the description below. You guys have been awesome. I'm Marissa Romero. I will see you on the next video. Take care.